Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and the crypto market in general. Before we continue, I would like to thank you for watching and have a fantastic day. Let's start. So Bitcoin that closed slightly above the pivot point that we talked about yesterday, right? 26,313 around there was the pivot point and we closed slightly above at 26,329.01. This was pretty close. Right now, you're going to see that at least until now, we have a green day. And to be honest with you, could be the case that we hold it, could be the case that we do not. We need to see more during the lower time frames. We need to see, for example, a breakout in which we haven't seen yet. So into the meantime, we have good news from yesterday. Yes, we managed to make it. Yes, this is very good. However, the case right now is that onto the lower time frames, what we need to see from Bitcoin, it is that Bitcoin rides above the 20-day exponential moving average and the 50-day exponential moving average. Right at this point, I would like to remind you that we have a 7 days free trial on the third tier Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Join us. If you do not like, just cancel your subscription. Let's go right now and see what Bitcoin has to offer. So weekly scale, right? 200-day moving average. We talked about it so many times. We need to make this white line right here as a support level. This is very in need. Okay, it is very important that Bitcoin holds this support level. Okay, so 26.3k, 26,313 to be precise, and we need to move forward. We need to close above. We need to stay above 200-day moving average. This is what will bring the next huge bullish movement for Bitcoin. Let's assume that today Bitcoin is not going to be bullish. Instead, we would form right here, for example, maybe it could be the case that we form right here another bullish pattern formation, right? Bearish pattern formation with lower highs, higher lows. I do not think this will be the case. However, because it is quite possible, then I will tell you that Bitcoin most likely will lose the 26.3k, it will close below, and we will lose the chance for Bitcoin to move higher. As you can see, we have the same problem right here. Here we closed slightly below, but we cannot say if we have these tiny differences. We cannot say we closed below, right? Very tiny differences. And then Bitcoin moved higher. Right now at this point, we like to see Bitcoin moving, closing above again today, making sure that this is a huge support level, making sure that we won't lose it, and we move forward to even higher than the 31,000 Tether USD into the 32 to 33,000. I will be honest with you that right now things are kind of 50-50%. What I mean by that is we could be going down, we could be closing above. But one thing is for sure, if we close above again today at the 26, above the 26,313, this will be a very good step and the chances won't be 50-50 but 80-20, so Bitcoin moves upwards. Alright, so the good thing happened yesterday with the closing above condition. Right now we need to maintain this, although to be precise, we didn't have, at least for now, a huge break. Okay, we do not have a huge breakout in the lower time frames. I would like to see the 1 hour frame getting above the 50-day exponential moving average, riding it, making a bullish cross, and then we can say that, for example, if Bitcoin goes to the 26,840, yes, BTC is capable of going higher. Right now, we have good news, great news coming in. We want just one more step, okay, into the lower time frames to have the breakout. I'm very confident about Bitcoin. I am very sad to see that people right here believe that we are not in a bull cycle yet. We are in a bull cycle. This is a reaccumulation phase, and we just need to see if Bitcoin will be going further down to the 23.7k, for example. Is there going to be any retest of the 200-day moving average because the last retest was successful? Okay, into the daily frame, what are we going to do? We need to see many things like that. Okay, but I am optimistic. Let's see, let's find out what Bitcoin has to offer, what Bitcoin is going to do. Will June be a good month? Do not forget that on June we will have great news about inflation and of course about the interest rates, in which I do not think that the Fed will touch them, and this might bring some very bullish movement towards Bitcoin's chart. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. See you soon. Bye.